Good morning everyone, myself Reshma Kore and today we are going to see Standard 4th Subject EVS Part 2 Lesson number 15 A Memorable Ceremony. It is the second part of our lesson. Okay student, let's start. The Coronation Ceremony. The coronation day dawned. It was indeed the most auspicious day. Musicians began to play on their instruments, singers began to sing music and singing filled the airs. See, it was very important day and on this day musicians began to play their instruments and singers began to sing. Music and singing was filled in the air. There was an atmosphere of joy everywhere. See, everyone was overjoyed. Shivaji Raje sat on a golden seat in full regalia. Regalia means object which are a sign of royalty. A canopy or chhatra and the fans were held over his head. See, canopy means एक छाता जैसे रहता है वैसे वाइट कलर का छाता उनके सिर के ऊपर लगाया हुआ था एंड फैंस वेयर हेल्ड ओवर हिज हेड. देयर वेयर प्रीस्ट ईच वन कैरिंग वेसल ऑफ घी दही एंड हनी. सी, there were many priests and they were carrying the vessels of ghee, dahi and honey. Vessels means pots. Gagabhat himself carried a gold vessel filled with water of 7 rivers: Ganga, Sindhu, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna, Narmada and Kaveri. See, Gagabhat was holding the vessel and that vessel contains the water from 7 rivers and of the sea. Okay. Gagabhatta held the vessel over Shivaji's head and started reciting the coronation mantras. From hundreds of tiny holes in the vessel, water started dripping down on Shivaji's head. See, Gagabhatta was the main priest of the ceremony and he held the vessel over Shivaji's head. From that vessel, there were many tiny holes and from the tiny holes water was dripping on Shivaji's head. After ablution by the scared water, Shivaji Maharaj got up and bowed before Jijamata and touched her feet. Jijamata held him in close embrace. See, after this function, Shivaji Maharaj got up and he bowed before Rajmata, Jijamata, because he wanted to take the blessings of his mother. And Jijamata held him in close embrace. Her eyes were filled with tears of joy. Her 30 years' effort had at last borne fruit. See, Jijamata was very happy and she was dreamed by last 30 years that Shivaji must be a Raja of Rayat, and this dream came true in before her. The dream she had nursed even before Shivaji's birth had at last come true. The tears in her eyes were tears of joy and fulfillment. See, Jijamata's eyes were filled with tears and those tears were of joy and fulfillment. Shivaji Maharaj was also deeply moved. Glory to be both of them. See, both were very happy. After meeting Ma Sahib, Shivaji Maharaj sat on the throne. Maharani Soirabai and Crown Prince Sambhaji Raje sat next to him. His 8 ministers stood on either side. See, after taking the blessings of his mother, Shivaji Raje sat on the throne, on golden throne, and Maharani Soirabai once on one side and Prince Sambhaji Raje sat to the next to him. His 8 ministers stood on either side. Gagabhatta held the canopy lean with gold and pearl tassel over his head and said, see, Gagabhatta held the canopy. Canopy means a white umbrella with gold and pearl tassels held over his head and said, victory be to Shiva Chhatrapati, now crowned king, the ornament of the race of warriors. See, this is the victory of Shivaji Maharaj, that he is now crowned as king and the ornament of race of warriors, and he is the ornament of all the warriors. Everyone please present followed suit in one voice wished a victory to Shivaji Maharaj. Guns were fired from fort after fort. The whole of Maharashtra echoed with one voice, Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. See, everyone was very happy with this movement, and guns were fired on each fort. The whole of Maharashtra was echoed with one voice, Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. Shivaji's coronation took place in 1674. From that year, Shivaji Maharaj started a new calendar, the coronation calendar. See, from the year of coronation, Shivaji Maharaj started a new calendar, and the name was of that calendar was the coronation calendar. He became a great king like those in whose name people start a new era. He struck his own coins. Some foreign envoys were present at the coronation. The English had sent their envoy Occident with valuable presents. Subjects from far off areas and places had also come to see the ceremony. The whole world came to know of the big event. Shivaji's fame spread everywhere. See, for this ceremony, from all over world, all the main people came to see the ceremony. Some foreign people also came to see the ceremony, and because of that, Shivaji's fame spread everywhere. See, in 1674, Shivaji Maharaj coronation ceremony took place. Okay, thank you.